Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this quick video I'll share how you can change your old email address to a new one. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Alright, log into your Gmail account and click on Manage your Google account. Go to Personal Info. Click on Email. Go to Google Account Email. Click on Change Google Account Email. Type in your new email address and don't worry about your previous email address, as people can still use that to send you emails. Click on Change Email. Confirm the change. That's it, you now have a new email address. Also, you can change this after 12 months. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.